Hello children, today's topic is fun with MS Paint. Children, first thing I want to tell you is that Microsoft Paint, MS Paint or Paint are all same programs which is used to draw and color. Let's see again the steps to start Paint. On the Paint screen, just click on Paint tile. As you click on it, Paint screen will be there in front of you all. MS Paint is ready to work. You can start your drawing. Before starting, let's learn the components of Paint window, such as Quick Access toolbar, File menu, tabs and color palette. इन सब के बारे में एक एक करके पढ़ते हैं. First is Quick Access toolbar. It is on the top left corner which has Save, Undo and Redo buttons. File menu. It is also present on the left side which opens up the main menu of the Paint. Tabs. We have two different tabs in Paint, Home tab and View tab, and each tab has different options. Color palette. It is a plate which contains different color for your drawings. Some tools in Paint. I have already explained you about some tools in my previous videos, such as pencil tool, eraser tool, brush tool, line tool, rectangle tool, oval tool, rounded rectangle tool, polygon tool, curve tool and text tool. Using select option. This option is used to select a part or whole drawing. इस ऑप्शन से हम किसी भी ड्राइंग का थोड़ा सा पार्ट या पूरी ड्राइंग को सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इट हैज़ टू ऑप्शंस, रेक्टेंगुलर सिलेक्शन एंड फ्री फॉर्म सिलेक्शन. Resize and skew option. First I will tell you about resize. It is used to change the size of the drawing. We can increase or decrease the size according to our choice. Let's see how. Here is the original picture. Now I have resized the picture to 50. It has decreased. Now skew option. It is used to stretch an image from one end, but the other end is remained fixed. Skew option में हम इमेज को एक साइड से खींच सकते हैं, बट दूसरी साइड सेम रहती है. Let's understand this by an image. Here you can see the original image. Now after skewing an image from the top, you can see the skewed image. मैंने इमेज को ऊपर से खींच दिया है. Flip and rotate. First we will learn about flip option, which is used to create the mirror image of any image. किसी भी इमेज का सिमिलर इमेज बनाने के लिए हम flip option यूज़ करते हैं. Let's see how. Here you can see the original image. Now the flipped image. You can see the difference. Now I will tell you about rotate option. It is used to change the position of the picture. You can rotate the image in any direction. Let's see the example of it. Here it is the original picture. Now I have rotated the image to 180 degree, which is just opposite of the original image. Next is zoom in and zoom out option. It is used to get the bigger and closer view of the image. Zoom in means big and zoom out means small. Let's understand with an example. Here is the original picture. After zooming in, image gets bigger, and after zooming out, image gets smaller. Copy and paste option. We can copy the image and paste it to another place. हम किसी भी इमेज की कॉपीज बना सकते हैं और पेस्ट कर सकते हैं स्क्रीन पर, बट कॉपी ऑप्शन में इमेज ओरिजिनल प्लेस पर भी रहती है. कट एंड पेस्ट. वी कैन कट द इमेज एंड पेस्ट इट टू अनदर प्लेस, बट जब हम कट करेंगे इमेज को तो वो अपनी ओरिजिनल लोकेशन से हट जाएगी और दूसरी जगह जाकर पेस्ट हो जाती है. क्रॉप इमेज. It is used to cut the selected part of the image. आप अपनी मर्जी से इमेज को कहीं से भी क्रॉप कर सकते हैं. Saving image. After completing your drawing, you need to save your drawing. Let us see the steps to save the drawing. Go and click on File menu. Click on Save. Save as dialog box will appear. Give the name and click on Save. Your drawing is saved. Thank you everyone. Hope you liked my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.